As I keep emphasizing, we should practice on all different parts of locomotives. Today I'm going to do a cab from an SD40-2, which would be the standard cab for a GP38, GP38-2, a basic EMD cab. The basic foundation of it is the walkway on the front, the frame of the locomotive, which ends up being the walkway in the front. The walkway in the back where the cab goes is just the locomotive frame. And on this, the cab we're going to do is maybe about an inch or so. In the drawings I do, it's about an inch. And if it's about an inch wide, it's about an inch and a half tall. And as you see, the cab, which just very standardly, it's just a box. Just sort of looks like a box on a line, for starters. Then, one thing that actually, if you kind of want to do, maybe, is not totally complete this back part here for about 1/4 of an inch down. It's okay if you draw it in, but because the back of the roof has a little bit of a overhang on it on -2 locomotives. So, but if you drew it in there, you can erase it, that's fine. Then on the front, there's about 1/4 of an inch or so is the number board. And you can just put a little number board inside. And just sort of little headlights, just kind of little angled, and about 3/8 of an inch here. Put the front and back step. And I could keep drawing this, but let's just sort of leave it at that. You can even put where the nose goes. The nose is right at about 1 inch. I'll put where the nose, see, that's where the nose would end up going, but let's not draw the whole nose. And then the window on the cab is about 1/4 of an inch in and 1/4 of an inch in. And it's a little less than 1/2 inch up. And there's actually kind of a indented area. It goes all the way across here at the bottom of the window, where it's actually kind of a nice area where the window sits. And when you start drawing the window, there's a couple options if you want to take a close look at the SD40-2 you're drawing. Some have all-weather windows, and almost all SD40-2s just sort of have a standard window, which I'm going to draw here, where they have the angled sun visor at the top, where, probably about 1/8 of an inch down, cut off the top of the window, and then just put a little angle. That sort of makes the sun visor. See, it's just a bunch of different lines just building on each other. And then right in the middle of the window is the where you can open the window, and if you've seen all different types of positionings, SD40-2s, very often they have just a mirror, just draw a little mirror. Sometimes they have mirrors on both sides of the cab. And then there's little kind of latches down here to get in, which just draw little squares. You can do these freehand, just a lot of practice. This one goes, because you've drawn the window, you can sort of center that, and then here are the hinges on the latches. And see, with just a bunch of boxes, you've just now made a SD40-2 or GP38, GP38-2, GP40 cab. And if you have any questions or comments, please send them to me. And if you'd like to see more train drawings, let me know what trains you'd like to see or logos. And subscribe to see more trains at Andy Fletcher Trains on my YouTube channel. And it's great drawing locomotive cab with you today.